Hi, this is Extend Office. Here, the product list is filtered to show only electronics, and we need to paste different updated prices into the visible rows. If we copy the new prices and paste them normally, then clear the filter, we can see that Excel has pasted them into the consecutive cells from D2 through D6, including rows that were hidden by the filter. In this video, I'll show you how to paste prices and their formatting into visible cells only. If your table is not filtered yet, select the product table. Go to the Data tab and click Filter. Open the category filter, select Electronics, and click OK. Only the 5 products that require updated prices are now visible. Select the empty cells in column F and apply a fill color. Go to the Data tab and click Clear to remove the filter. Right-click one of the yellow cells, select Sort, and then select Put Selected Cell Color on top. The 5 products that were visible are now grouped at the top of the table. Copy the updated prices. Select cell D2 and paste. Excel replaces the 5 prices and preserves their currency format and red font. This method changes the order of the product list. To restore the original order, open the Product ID filter and select Sort A to Z. If your table does not have an ID or another column that can be used to restore the original order after updating the prices, add a helper column before filtering. Enter 1 and 2 in the first 2 cells. Select both cells, and drag the fill handle down to create a sequential list. Then filter the category column to show electronics. Select the visible cells in the helper column, and apply a fill color. Clear the filter. Right-click one of the yellow helper cells. Select Sort, and then select Put Selected Cell Color on top. The 5 electronics are now grouped at the top. Copy the updated prices in cells B16 through B20, and paste. Excel pastes the new prices with their currency format and red font. To restore the original product order, open the filter arrow in the helper column and select Sort Smallest to Largest. The products return to their original positions. You can then delete the helper column. The built-in methods require marking and rearranging the filtered rows before pasting. With QTools for Excel, you can paste the updated prices directly into the visible cells without changing the order of the product list. After installing QTools, select cells B16 through B20. Go to the QTools tab. In the Range Cells group, click Paste to Visible. In the dialog box, select cell D2 as the first destination cell, and click OK. QTools pastes each updated price into the next visible cell while skipping all filtered out rows. It also preserves the currency format and red font from the copied prices. Clear the filter to check the complete list. The hidden prices remain unchanged, and the product order is preserved. If you want to update the prices without copying their formatting, open the Paste to Visible menu and select only paste values. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.